Hi, today we will solve the first Leetcode problem that is called toSum. Let's read the description. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So let's let's investigate the examples. So in the first example we have an array and the target is 9. This means that sum of two members of this array equal to 9, and it is and we can see that sum of the element of with index 0 and an element with index 1, their sum equals to 9, so we should get 0 and 1. In the second case, in the second example, we have like array 3 to 4, and we can see that and target is 6, and we can see that sum of 2 and 4, so indexes 1 and 2, members with these indexes equals to 6. And the same is for the third example. So it has just only two elements and their sum equals to target. And what is important here, like for example 2, we can see that 3 2 times 3 equals to 6. But in our array we have only one number equal to 3. This means that we cannot take 3 two times. So we must take 3 only once. So we can so for the answer, the correct answer from this array doesn't include index of 3. It includes index of 2 and 4. So let's think how we will solve this problem. So the first possible and the simplest variant is just to take. We can go through loop through this array. We can take every current number from this array and compare, and then we can go through the next numbers, and so this current number and number from another array, we can find the sum of them and compare the sum with the target. And if the sum equals to the target, so in this case we just return this indexes. So here we have just double for loop. Let's code this. So the first loop is let I equals to 0 and I less than nums I, and increment I. And here and next will be like our inner loop 4, and here we will take another variable j. Let j equals to 0, not 0, but I plus 1, because if we took in this loop, if we took this variable 2, so we should start from the next element, because we shouldn't start from the same element. We cannot take the same number twice. We should take the same number only once. So we should start from the next element. And for example, if the current element is 11, we should check only next elements, only starting from 15, because 11 plus previous the sum of 11 and previous numbers is already checked in the previous iterations of this loop. Here is j less than nums length, and increment j. And here we just check if the sum equals to the target. So sum nums I plus nums j, if it equals to the target. And of course we should take here triple equals because it is JavaScript. And in this case we return new array from indices of this member of the previous array nums. And pretty that's all. Let's check. Yes, we can see that all cases are passed and they are accepted, and we can submit. Let's submit. Well, something is wrong, but why? Let's check what is wrong. Yes, because it was a mistake. Yes, we can see that our solution is accepted, but it is not the most efficient one. And let's think what is the time complexity of this solution. So here we have two loops. One loop is dependent from another one. So it is obvious that this complexity is O from n square. But we can do this more simpler, so we can do this O from n, not from n square. So how to do this? So when we go through this array in a loop, we can take the same for loop. When we if we take this number, we can create a map. In this map, this number can be like a key, and the value will be the index of this element. And so we just add this to this map. But before adding, we can check if the map has this delta target minus this element. If the map has target minus element, that means that this delta was already added before. And then we should return just the current index and the index of the element that was added before. So let's code this. We can use const here and name it map equals to new map, and we can take the for loop. This again for loop, let I equals to 0 and I plus plus increment I, and I less than nums dot length of the array. And what should we do inside the array? Inside the for loop. So first of all, we need to check if the map has this element. If the map contains already contains this element and this delta, and we can create two temporary variables. Num1 that equals to this current number nums I, and variable 2 num2 equals to target to this delta target minus nums I. And we can check if this map already has num2. If it has, we can just return the we can return this indices. So the first index is I, and the second one is map get num2, and that's all. And what if this map doesn't have this num2, this delta? In this case, we should add just add this num1 to our map. So we should map, and in JavaScript it's set this operation that adds a key and the value to the map. And the first the key would be num1, and the value would be like the index of this element I. It looks like that's it, but let's check. So we check if this delta already exists in the map. If it exists, we can just get the index of this element and the previously added element. And if it doesn't exist, we just put this element to the map and go further through this array. So let's check if it works. Yes, we can see that all cases are accepted. They are green, and let's submit. Let's submit and check. Yes, we can see that current solution is much better. So it works. So thank you for watching. Let's see in the next video. Bye.